You may have extra money owed to you.
Our right team is finding out today how you can collect federal tax refund money from years past. Consumer investigator Jason Knowles here with details. Jason.
Judy, Rob, the IRS says there is $1 billion on the table, refunds owed to people who never filed a return in 2020. You can also cash in from other recent years. $1 billion. That is roughly how much money is available to nearly 940,000 people who didn't file a federal tax return in 2020. The deadline to file is May 17th of this year. If you don't file by then, you're out of luck.
You're not able to obtain your tax refund and becomes the property of the IRS, the property of the federal government. So you do have 3 years to claim that refund. After that time, you're no longer able to claim it.
Former IRS criminal investigator and certified public accountant Kimberly Washington is now a tax expert at Forbes Advisor. She says the money owed is from standard tax refunds, but you could collect even more because in 2020, many people were owed a recovery rebate credit if they qualified for a COVID-19 stimulus check, but for some reason didn't get it.
For individuals who didn't receive the full stimulus payment or received a partial credit, that money is still on the table. But not just the stimulus payments, but also if you have other credits that you have yet to file your tax return, such as maybe a child tax credit or whatever credit that may be applicable to your tax situation.
Washington says this is also a reminder that you could be leaving tax returns behind from the 2021 tax year when there were also stimulus payments you may have missed, meaning those recovery rebate credits could also be yours. You may even have a refund owed to you from the 2022 tax year.
And a good percentage of those who are typically not required to file, for instance, this may be a person who typically received just Social Security and they're not used to filing a tax return. They may be unaware that this money is available to them and that they would need to file this tax return.
Okay, no matter which tax year you missed, you have 3 years to file a return before your refund stays with the government. The 2020 deadline was extended to May 17th because that year's tax deadline was also extended at that time. For more information on past due returns and to see if you qualify for help filing a past due return, go to our website, abc7chicago.com. Rob, Judy, for those who dread tax day instead of paying, you may have that surprise refund. Good news, but time is running out.
I know, Jason, with the good news today on tax day.
Some people need it today.
Get your money.
All right, thanks, Jason. When we come back.